Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you a black and white image to the color image conversion using Python. So this will be the testing images. Let's open it. So these all are the testing images of black and white. Now what we are doing, we are converting that particular black and white images to color images. So these all are the testing files. Now let's go back. So these are the checkpoints and this will be the graph results. Let's open this graph. Discriminator loss versus step. Generator GAN loss versus step. Generator L1 loss versus step. Validation PSNR versus epoch. Validation SSM versus epoch. Validation L1 AB versus epoch. Okay, let's close this. And these are the results. Okay, now let's go back. These are the requirement file. We have to install that particular libraries, then it will run the software. And this will be the training code. This will be the complete training code. We are importing the libraries and metrics and logging. We are defining the functions. So this will be the complete training code. Let's scroll down. It will generate the graphs. Okay, let's close that. And this will be the workflow, like project flow for black and white to color. The first point will be the what the model learns. Like input will be the black and white image, and the output will be color version of the same image. Trick: convert to lab color space, L lightness, AB color info. Data preparation: load image, resize and crop to 256 into 256. Convert RGB to lab, normalize values, return, and the model generator to unit, encoder, decoder, skip connections, and the output will be two channels. And the fourth point will be the losses. Fifth, the training loop, and the sixth is the interface, that is testing. Seventh, web app flow. These are the key components. Okay, let's close that. Now let's run the python space app.py file. Let's enter. Now just click on that particular link. So it will open in the browser. We have to select an input file. Let's go to desktop and upload that file. So just uploading that particular image and then click on submit button. So it will color the black and white to colored image. And if you want to download that particular image, just click on download. So it will download that particular image. Now submit another and let's upload another file. Like I am uploading that particular file and then click on submit button. So it will convert the black and white image to color the image. Let's click on submit another. Let's select any other image. I'm selecting this image. Then click on submit button. It will convert the black and white to color image. This will be the original image and this will be the colored image. Let's submit another image. Then click on submit button. Okay, so it will make the colorize image. This will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.